Hello everybody, you're all very welcome back again. So, the last couple of installments we've done, the assumption is that there'd be a few people playing different things, so each person would have a different instrument. However, there's probably some people out there who'll be doing this solo, just by themselves. So a good way of doing that is to get a few buckets and a few basins and maybe some old paint cans and something like that. And again, just test them out and see what they sound like. So, as you said before, if you don't have drumsticks, your wooden spoons will do you absolutely right on the money. So I get a few objects, I'm going to see what they sound like. Do they sound good? I can use that. That's good. I'll go over to the paint can, we'll use that. I found this container. Nice and basic. Like that a lot. I'm going to use that guy. Basins, really good. Excellent, I'm going to put that in there also. Might need something for a little bit of a kind of changy high-end sound. Okay, very good. So I'm going to use that guy also. Really good. Okay, we'll put that in there as well. And one or two other buckets. Plastic containers. They work really good. And an old bucket from So the idea is what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble these guys sort of like an improvised drum set, and then I'm going to play some stuff on them, and you get the idea. And the idea then is that you'll have a bit of fun playing your different parts, and you can get it into us and we'll have fun looking at it and post it up. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in a minute. And again, remember, make it funky. Thank you. Okay, so here we go, and now I've arranged these in a way so that we kind of have a descending order of tones, and I have my high-end pitch here, and I have these guys. Okay, so we're going to use this as our improvised drum set. It's about having a bit of fun, so let's see what we can get out of it. so try and have a bit of fun, and maybe outside might be the best place to do this, since it's very loud. So, thank you very much. I hope you all enjoyed our series.